ஹாய் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இப்போ நம்ம 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் இங்கிலீஷில் யூனிட் 1 ப்ரோஸ் த நோஸ் ஜுவல் அப்படிங்கிற லெசனுக்கு கைடட் ரீடிங் தான் நம்ம இப்போ இங்கே பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க நம்ம இப்போ லெசனுக்குள்ளே போகலாமா? ஓகே. யூனிட் 1 ப்ரோஸ் த நோஸ் ஜுவல். இது எழுதுனது யாருன்னா சி ராஜகோபாலாச்சாரி. Page number 2. Reading. Ramaya was a simple man living in the town. He lived with his wife in a nice house made of tiled roof. He was not rich, but he could take care of his family. 2 sparrows built a nest in a nice spot on the roof of Ramaya's house. The mother bird laid her eggs in it. "My dear," began the male sparrow, "and what do you want now?" asked his wife. "Why does the lady of this house always quarrel with her husband?" "How am I to know?" said the female bird. "Let us mind our own business. You are always self-centered," said the male sparrow, and added, "Should we not help this poor Ramaya?" The female sparrow said with disdain, "Let me see what help you can do for him. Please do not talk about what does not concern us. See that the cat does not come near our nest. That would be enough for you and me." Somewhere in the muck heap lay a diamond nose jewel. The male bird picked it up and came to the nest with the shining stud in his beak, and said the female bird, "Look, do you like this?" The female bird replied, "What am I to do with diamond nose studs or with earrings? Find some grub, the young ones are hungry." இப்போ நம்ம பேஜ் நம்பர் 2 முடிச்சிருக்கோம். பேஜ் நம்பர் 3க்கு போகலாமா? வாங்க செல்வோம். The bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went out in search of little worms for the young ones. Ramaya's wife noticed the jewel as she was sweeping the floor. She picked it up with delight and wore it. Ramaya questioned her angrily, "From where did you get this diamond stud?" "I found it lying here yesterday and took it. That is all. We should go and hand over it to the village magistrate. Tomorrow, if the police should come and search our house, it will be a disgrace to us." In the neighborhood of Meenakshi Ammal, the talk went thus: "I forgot and left it in the bathroom. Kupai, the maid servant, must have swept it out. She is very careless and ignorant." The mother Meenakshi Ammal consoled her little girl, saying, "Let us search and find it. Don't tell father yet. He would go into a rage if he knew that you had lost the diamond nose stud. இப்போ பேஜ் நம்பர் 3 நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதில் ஒரு பாக்ஸ், அதாவது டூ யூ நோ அப்படின்னு ஒரு பாக்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை நம்ம இப்போ இங்கே வாசிப்போம். A bird's eye takes up about 50% of its head. Our eyes take up about 5% of our head. To be comparable to a bird's eyes, our eyes would have to be the size of baseballs. இப்போ நம்ம பேஜ் நம்பர் 3 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். இப்போ நம்ம பேஜ் நம்பர் 4 போகிறோம். What is the secret you are whispering? asked Ramanathan. The loss of the jewel had to be admitted. Soon the whole village knew about it. The maid servant Kopai was suspected to have stolen it by everyone. The police came and searched her hut, but could find nothing. Ramaya's heart was in a flutter. Ramaya's wife put the stud away in her box. She soon developed a severe fever and was confined to bed. No one thought of searching their house. The he sparrow said, "Look at the fan, my dear. The lady of this house is scared and is down with fever." "Nice fun indeed," said the sea sparrow. "The poor woman is in a panic. The fever may be the end of her. And a good thing too," said the cruel male sparrow. "It is all your doing. You brought and threw it here and tempted her," said the female bird. The male bird answered gravely, Did I tell her to steal the thing? This is bound to happen when humans are greedy." இப்போ நம்ம பேஜ் நம்பர் 4 முடிச்சிட்டோம். இப்போ நம்ம பேஜ் நம்பர் 5 போகிறோம். Rightly said, we should never the greedy for what belongs to others. Come, let us go now and bring some worms for the young ones. And the two flew out. Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of life in fear of being caught. The diamond nose jewel may still be with them, but the fear of getting caught was everlasting. இப்போ லெசனை நம்ம வாட்சி முடிச்சிட்டோம். இன்னும் ஒரே ஒரு பேராக இருக்குது. அபவுட் த ஆதர். சக்கரவர்த்தி ராஜகோபாலாச்சாரி. இவர் 1878 பிறந்திருக்காரு. 1972 இறந்திருக்காங்க. Informally called Rajaji, was an Indian politician, independence activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. Rajagopalachari was born in the village of Thorappalli in the Krishnagiri district. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India, as India soon became a republic in 1950. Furthermore, he was the first Indian-born Governor General, since before him the post were held by British nationals. He also served as leader of the Indian National Congress, Premier of the Madras Presidency, Governor of West Bengal, Minister for Home Affairs of the Indian Union, and Chief Minister of Madras State. He was one of the first recipients of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். நம்ம இன்னைக்கு 8th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் உள்ள ப்ரோஸ் லெசனை நம்ம கைட் ரீடிங் முடிச்சிட்டோம். ஓகே, பாய், see you again. தேங்க்யூ.